Hi guys, this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a poll to your Instagram reel. So first we're going to start by clicking this icon here. Now we're going to select the video of our choice. It doesn't have to be a video, it could be a photo. For this example, we're going to use a video. Now we're going to click on next. Now we're going to click on this sticker icon here, the top. We're going to select poll. So you're gonna ask a question, for example, do you like hiking? And here the options could be yes or no. You can type yes or nope, or maybe and nope, whatever you like. Then you're just gonna center it wherever you like. You're gonna click on next and share. And that is how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.